So I found a safe haven for the Renault Master on higher ground, dry ground.
Hi viewers, welcome to another episode of Stay Awesome Van Life. This week, or today, we're going to have a little bit of a rant and a little bit of a pleading for you to hit the subscribe button. I couldn't make that any more clear, could I? But I'm also going to say hello to a few trolls out there that have been saying things to me that are keeping me entertained. Absolutely love it. I lap it up. But anyway, you can watch my little rant shortly. Yeah, you can see I've bought a drone. So I'm trying to up the cinematography and hopefully better content comes out. If you smash the likes up or you give the thumbs down, I don't care either way. Every bit of feedback is going to help me produce better content. So you're doing your part by having your say. You can leave a comment below. I don't care if you bag me. I don't care if you give me a bit of encouragement. Either way, I'll find a way of turning it around and turning it into energy that I can make positive and move forward and deliver even more content and hopefully a few laughs. Now, some people say I'm not funny. Well, I don't really think I'm funny either, so that doesn't matter. If you don't think I'm funny, good. But anyway, try and not laugh. That's what you've got to try and do now. That's your challenge, okay?
Everyone wants to be in the Stay Awesome video now. Hi viewers, Bill here from Stay Awesome Van Life. Trying to get through the traffic here. I had some pretty good hits on that last video. First time I've really had a lot of views, so thank you for that. Apologise for the clickbait. I watched a video on YouTube because I put out that much content and a lot of people watch the videos, yeah, but they hardly ever subscribe, which is, you know, would be nice because you get all the other content that comes along after that. And also I put a lot of work in for these videos and yeah, it'd be nice to be appreciated. Oh gee, it'd help me get more motivated to make more content, and yeah, it'd probably improve the quality a bit too. But yeah, no, the last video, yeah, gee, Van Lost at Sea. You just love that one. You love the thumbnail anyway. Oh gee, but I've got that's number 44, one of the 44 of the official videos on Stay Awesome Van Life. Like most of my first videos were on self-build, different appliances and that you can install in your van, the van build, mainly on self-build and self-installation, and self-insulation. But yeah, so now I'm trying to step it up a bit. I just did some drone shots. I'm going to try and improve the cinematography. I'm used to having other people do the cinematography for me, so that's one thing that yeah, has been a bit of a learning curve of late. But yeah, I hope to bring some pretty good action videos soon too. I've done a taste of the self-build. Well, that was a 12 months of self-build, so that went quite well. And if you look in there, I've got everything in there: Max fans, Sirocco fans, hot water systems, you name it, I've installed it and I've documented it. So it's all there. I've added a bit of comedy, as you can see, because I don't know, you need to have something a bit different. That's my little angle. Add a bit of comedy, have Gazza in there now and again, and people think I'm not sort of a funny person, so I sort of tend to agree. I'll try and be funny, but I'm not really funny. Yeah, so anyway, we'll see how we go with the views. Need to get more, so make sure that smash that like button up. Yeah, that one that goes like that. And if you don't like it, do that one. Do that one if you didn't like the clickbait. and leave a comment. I don't care if it's positive, negative, doesn't worry me. I can actually draw on positives and negatives. Sometimes negatives are good because it makes you do better, highlights things that you might want to improve with. And then you get the odd troll, and Tim Smith. Hello, Tim Smith. Yeah, you haven't you given me heaps. Oh, Mr. Tim Smith. Oh my God. Hey, he doesn't leave me alone. He wants to know why. What is it? What did he want to know last time? Why did I carry on about the driving a van through salt water? Why would you think that it hurt the van? Duh! God! Give yourself an uppercut! Oh, some people, they're a little bit silly. And sometimes they just play stupid just to push your button. So I realise that. Doesn't worry me one bit. I enjoy it. I'll lap it up. I'll be like a dog that hasn't eaten for a week. I'll love it. Anyway, yeah, so anyway, we're going to try and get some better content out. When I say we, I mean me and Silvertart. My offsider is my little stuffed dog. And if you wonder what that's about, I just try to draw a little angle on. Most of the videos have, two dogs, a cat, and maybe a lion and a snake in the back. And they're living full time. And, fair income. It's just, in some cases it's real. I mean, camper vibes, I believe them 100%. That's my favourite channel, by the way. I'll give them a plug because I really like them. I don't mind Chrome either, he's good. And I've noticed all of them are now, everyone's starting to have a home base plus a van, or admitting they've got both, one or the other. I saw a video the other day and it said something about we've separated, and I thought, a young couple separated, that's sad. No, they didn't. One's working out of the van and one's working out of the new home they rented, so you'll hear a beep now and again. I've got this beep come back for the door open. Not as much as it used to be, because I've got a video on that for Renault Masters. You'll get this thing where it beeps and you wonder why. And I've already did a video on it, like I said. I've got a lady with her hands over her ears because it drives you absolutely nuts. And it's a design flaw, and where the strike pad is at the sliding door, it's made of aluminium. Now the van was like, when I started having troubles with this, the van was 4 years old. So I went on looking around for the actual part, got the part number off Renault. They wanted $220 for that jam. And I looked on eBay and someone had one in Lithuania. And so I put that in, and it cost me $100. That's Aussie dollars. So not sure about US, probably about $70 US. Yeah, so anyway, so I won't talk too long because I've got to fix this beep up when I stop. It'll probably just that I didn't slam the door enough. But yeah, so anyway, just make sure you subscribe. You'll get all the latest videos, and you'll get them as soon as I post them. And smash the likes up because it helps the algorithm and helps me get more content out there so I can make better videos. So if you don't like the video, give it a thumbs up or thumbs down, because then you can give me the opportunity to make a better one. But if you do nothing and just what's that saying? People that do less than you are the first to criticize. Haven't I found that out? Because when I look at some people's say Facebook, and they give you a bagging, you look on their Facebook, they've got one photo and they've actually never ever posted on a forum. They've never tried to help anyone else. They're really good at dishing it out. But if they dish it out in a video or something and made a bit of an effort, it'd be nice. But not when you just troll and say stupid things and pretend to be smart. And well, some of them are smart. Some of them got genuine criticism, but most are just I don't know what they are, attention seeking, negative, naughty no friends, So yeah, anyway, I'm just going to pull in now, get some supplies. So have a great day and stay awesome.
Hottest capital city on Christmas Day. Total fire bans have been declared for a huge area stretching from Carnarvon to Waroona, including Perth and Mandurah. Well, as you can see on your screen, New South Wales has reported.
Hey you, stay awesome. Gotta stay awesome with the van life. Hey you, stay awesome. Gotta stay awesome with the van life. Hey, my name is Gary, and I'm a man with the freaking van. Got to stay awesome.